Okay, well, anyways, I made a start on this thing. I already got the bead up and over the rim there, and we're going to keep on here on this side, and then I'm going to have to lift it up with the tractor and then do some fancy barring to get that off the rest of the way there. Now you got to be mindful when you're doing this kind of stuff that you don't get the tip or the end of the bar in the teeth or in your chin, so that can happen very easily. I got this started with 2 bars at the far corner here. I managed to get the bead down below the lip of the rim, and then get the one to hold and then start working. The toughest part is getting it started. Once you get going like now here, this is getting easier as I go along. There we go. Okay, I went ahead and grabbed the tire there and pulled it up against this the stabilizer leg of the backhoe there, so that I could go ahead and lift that tube up out of there so it doesn't get tangled up in there, so I can make it easier. Well, you have to get the tube out so you can get the tire off the rim. So I went ahead and pulled it up here, so we're just going to go ahead and yank that tube out of here. So. Try and grab that tire a little better and pick it up or whatever, that I can get it tipped up a little bit closer to the machine so that there's down weight to the rim hang, and then maybe I can bar or pry it out of there somehow. If not, I'm just going to chain the rim to the drawbar of the tractor here and grab the tire with the backhoe and just literally peel it off the rim that way. I've done that before if you got a real stubborn rusted on tire that you can't hardly deal with. Sometimes you just do what you got to do. So, as you can see here, I got it chained to the drawbar of the tractor, and it's chained into the rim there. It ain't going nowhere, so it's coming off. this is a disgusting mess of a failure. So anyways, don't know what I'm going to do with this hunk of shit at this point. So if at first you don't succeed, get a bigger fucking chain. Then it's going to come off. Now this is what you call zippering a tire open. Holy shit, look at this thing. It's partially off the rim, it's stuck no matter, I've taken the pressure off, I've put the pressure on, I've tried barring it off, no fucking way is that son of a bitch gonna come off. And if I keep fucking around anymore like this, I'm gonna totally screw my rim up. So, now comes out the angle grinder with the zip disc, and we're gonna cut that son of a bitch off or whatever, the rim, split it. I should have done it right from the get-go. I already know enough, I've dealt with these fucking old rotten tires. I know what to deal with these sons of bitches are. So we're just going to take and cut the bead and let it release the pressure off of it. So anyways, safety last. I better get my ass in a certain position here, otherwise this thing's going to come flying back at me and I'm going to get nailed but good here at this piece of shit. I'm not digging into my rim, that's the bead, the wires in the bead that are being cut. There we go. Got that hunk of shit off of there. Now, off to the garbage dump that frickin' piece of shit goes.